Good morning to all. Today's topic is plotting a point on the plane if its coordinates are given. So what are the steps to plot the points? When points are given, first you have to draw the graph. That means first you will draw a horizontal axis and you will draw a vertical axis. These horizontal axis and vertical axis meet at O. So 0 right side you have all positive numbers, so 1 2 3 4 5. 0 negative side you will have -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 -6. Positive side we represent with x, negative side we represent with x dash. So entire this line is called x dash o x, and this is y positive and this is y negative. This entire line is called y o y dash. 0 above you have all positive numbers, 0 below you will have all negative numbers. So this plane paper is called a plane. This entire plane is divided into 4 parts by this horizontal x-axis and vertical y-axis. This is first quadrant. In this x is positive, y is positive. This is second quadrant. In this x is negative, y is positive. This is third quadrant. In this x is negative, y is negative. This is fourth quadrant. In this x is positive, y is negative. You can see this is x positive, y negative, x negative, y negative. Second quadrant x negative, y positive. First quadrant x positive, y positive. Now we'll come to first question. In which quadrant are which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie? Verify your answer by locating them on the Cartesian plane. This is called Cartesian plane. First, here when you look at first point, x is negative, y is positive. Now we will see where x is negative, y is positive. In second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. So this particular point will be there in second quadrant. Now we plot and see. So x -2 here and y +4 here. So this point has come in second quadrant. Now 3, -1, x is positive, y is negative. That means in fourth quadrant, x is positive, y is negative. This point will be there in fourth quadrant. 3 -1, where we have to locate. This is 3. So this is 3 and -1 is here. This is the point here. 3 -1. This is the point. 3 -1 means this is the point. Second one is -1, 0. So if y is 0, that particular point will be there on y-axis, x-axis. If y is 0, this point will be there on x-axis. So we'll see -1, 0. This is the point. The point will be there on x-axis. Next one is 1, 2. Both x is positive, y is positive. That means x positive, y positive. First quadrant. How to locate 1, 2? X is 1, y is 2. This is the point. Second, next one is -3, -5. So -3, both are negative. X is negative, y is negative. So it is third quadrant. In third quadrant, x is negative, y is negative. The point is -3, 5. That means x is -3 and y is -5 here. This is the point. In all these points, first one is x, second one is y. Here first one is x, second one is y. 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 And here we have to take some scale also. So 0 to 1, this is called 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter we have taken 1 unit. So here 10 small lines are there. Each small line is 0.1 centimeters. This is 0.5 centimeters. Next line is 0.6. Next line is 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. 1.0 is nothing but 1. Again next line is 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 like this. Now you write answers for the remaining points, okay, and plot all the points on the graph. Now we'll come to second question. Plot the points xy given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. Xy, these are the values. First we have to take scale. On x-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. On y-axis 1 centimeter is 1 unit. First we have to draw horizontal line and we have to draw vertical line. First mark origin O. This is x and this is x dash. Look, remember, positive side you will have x, negative side you will have x dash. Again 0 above you will have y and 0 below you will have y dash. Now your first point is -2, 8. So minus 2 comma 8. That means first one is x, second one is y. Minus 2 comma 8 is here. Minus 2 comma 8. Second one is minus 1 comma 7. This is x minus 1 and y is minus 7. This is minus 1 comma 7. Third point is 0 comma minus 1.25. Minus 1.25 exactly we cannot locate. It will be between 1.1 and 1.2. So x is 0. X is 0 means the point will be there on y axis. X is 0 means the point will be on y axis. So here x is 0 and y is minus 1.25. This is the point between 1.1 and 1.2. You will mark. X is 0 means the point will be there on y axis. Between minus 1.1 and minus 1.2 you will plot this point. Next one is plus 1 comma plus 3. That means x value is 1, y value is 3. So x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. This is the point. Next one is 3 comma minus 1. That means x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 1. Like this we have to plot the point. Always remember that first point is x, second point is y. X coordinate is called abscissa, y coordinate is called ordinate. And these are your homework sums.